Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sherry. In my group, I have Mana, Ruthvi, Tashrif, and Temple. Topic of the report is streamlining tax return processing. So the tax return season presents a significant challenge for the accounting firm. They have over 300 tax returns to file, which includes self-employed contractors, corporations. Right now, the current workflow is disorganized, which has led to inefficiency, errors, and stress. So this report proposes a structured approach to streamline the processes, ensuring accurate and timely delivery while minimizing stress for the team. So we'll start with the scenario analysis. The first topic is the problems. We've got five problem in total. The first one is disorganized workflow. So the clients are assigned randomly, resulting in inefficiencies and confusion. Second one is inconsistent workload distribution, which means uneven task allocation. The third one is ineffective communication, which means a lack of regular updates and collaboration delays progress. The second last is late delivery and errors. Procrastination leads to rush work in the final weeks, increasing likelihood of mistakes. And the last is over reliance on senior members. They've got two senior accountants, and the dependence on them creates bottlenecks. Now I'll pass it to Ruthvi.
So what are the negative impacts? So first one is delaying tax return delivery. Second one is increased error, risking client dissatisfaction and compliance issues, elevated stress levels and potential burnout among team members, and reduced client trust due to poor communication and late feedbacks. And we are using an agile methodology overview. So Agile methodology is a flexible and iterative approach to project management that emphasizes collaboration, adaptability, and delivering results quickly. And it focuses on four things. First one is individuals and interactions. Second one is working results. And third one is customer collaboration. And the last one is responding to change. And I'm passing it to the Tashrif.
Okay, now we will look into the solutions and recommendations that we have come up as a team. Our first recommendation is to implement a Kanban board. In this, we utilize a visual workflow with categories such as to do, in progress, and completed. We also can employ color-based, color-coded tags for different client types like individuals, contractors, or corporations. The next recommendation is to use structured division of work. What we can do for this case is that we can assign the individual clients to junior accountants, and we can assign contractors to senior accountants since they have the work experience to do so. And finally, we can assign the corporations, the big corporates, to the head and assistant head of accountants. Now, moving on, the next one is daily scrum meetings. We need to conduct a 15 minutes, at least 15 minute stand-ups to discuss progress, challenges, and plans. And we also need to focus on resolving roadblocks and maintaining communications during those stand-ups. And next one is sprint-based approach. We need to divide the 3 months into six 2 week sprints, and we need to set little targets during those 2 weeks, and their targets needs to be specific, and completing each target needs to be communicated with the other parties of the team. Now moving on to the next part by Manav.
Yep. Thanks, Ashif. So the next one is deliver early and gather feedback.
Can you please unmute?
Yep. Yeah, can you hear me? Hi, can you hear me, Tashrif? Hi, Manav, can you hear me now?
We can hear you.
Yeah. All right. So, okay. So the next one is deliver early and gather feedback. So process simpler returns individuals within the first months for quick wins, and share completed drafts with clients for feedback to allow early corrections. Then the next one is weekly evaluation and adaptation. So review progress weekly to identify bottlenecks and use metrics like completion rates, error frequency, and client feedback to adjust plans. So the next one would be align with agile values. The proposed plan agile principles as follows. The first one, valuing individuals and face-to-face interactions, which is daily Scrum meetings promote open communications and collaboration among team members. The next one would be producing working results quickly, which is early completion of simpler tax returns ensures timely delivery and builds momentum. The next one would be collaborating early and often with customers, which is expanding client interaction to more team members, speeds up feedback, and improves service. The next one would be fast evaluation and adaptation, which is sprint reviews and Kanban boards allow for regular evaluation and quick adjustments to the process. So thanks you. That's all from my side.
Thanks, Tanu. Now I'll speak the risk and mitigation and conclusion. Starting with risk one, resistance to change. Mitigation involve team member in planning and implementing the team system to ensure buy-in. Second one is provide training on tools like Kanban boards and encourage open feedback. Moving on to risk two, bottleneck in complex case, which are mitigation. A paying less experienced team member with seniors for complex return to facilitate knowledge sharing and reduce bottleneck. Monitor workload weekly to sorry redistributable tasks if necessary. Moving on to conclusion, by implementing a strict workforce using a Kanban boards, sprints, and regular evaluation, the firm can address inefficient, ensure a timely and accurate tax return delivery, and minimize stress for the team. Regular communication, early delivery of result, collaboration with clients with foster trust and satisfaction. Addressing risk proactive ensure a smoother transition to a new approach, setting the start for improved performance in future tech session. Thank you.